Start off with a div with a class called hero container. Inside of that div, we want to create one more div with the class called hero image. We want to tell our browser the role of this div, and this is going to be for an image. Now we want to include an area label element, and this is simply going to contain some alternative text for screen readers. Next, we want to create a div with the class called hero text, and here is where we're going to put all the text that is going to be on top of our hero image. And first we want to specify an H1 element. Then I'm going to include an H3 element that says simplify web design and development. And lastly, underneath all of this, I'm going to include one more div with the height equal to 500 rem, just so we can scroll up and down our page. Now I want to start typing out some basic styles. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my body element. I'm going to set our margin to 0 so it takes up our entire page. And then I'm going to select our font family as Arial. Now what I want to do is target our HTML element, and what I want to do here is target our font size, and this is going to be useful later on in today's video. Now I want to target our hero container class, and I want to change the position equal to relative. Then I want to change the color of our text simply to white. So now I want to target my hero image class, and what I want to start off is by adding a background image. And to add a background image, you want to specify URL parentheses and then quotation marks, and then you want to navigate to where your image is. In our case, it's within our images folder, and that is the name of our image here. And we want this image to take up 100% of our viewport height, so we're going to specify that with our viewport height equal to 100. Now I want this background to simply cover, so what I'm going to do is change our background size to cover. And then I want our image to be responsive from the center. So what I'm going to do is specify our background position equal to center. And we want it to take up 100% of our viewport width. So we're simply going to specify that with our width equal to 100%. And lastly, we want to change our display to block, just so we can get rid of any extra padding or margin that our image will add at the bottom. Now once I save here, you're going to notice that our image is successfully displaying on our background here, and it's taking up 100% of our view width and view height here, and it is completely responsive. Now if you scroll down, you're going to notice that our text is down here below at the bottom because we haven't done anything to our text yet. So that's going to be our next step by targeting hero text. And we want our text to display right in the center of our hero image. So to do that, we want to specify top 50%, left 50%, transform this with our translate method, and we want to insert two values, -50% and -50%. And what this is going to do is it's going to center all of our text right in the middle. Align all of this to the center within its container. So I'm going to change my text align to center like so, and now you guys can see we have our hero image and our text displaying over our hero image. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us today through the comments or go to our website at kelmanwebdesign.com. I hope this video helped out a lot. Thanks for watching.